Hello everyone. This is the final part in the African countries series. First, I would like to tell you something about Egypt. Egypt is the oldest and the most famous country in Africa. It is considered to be the cradle of civilizations along the banks of River Nile. It is famous for pyramids of Giza and Sphinx. It also forms a land link between the Sinai Peninsula and the African continent. It lies on the coast of two seas, the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. Suez Canal is the link between the two seas. Now, let's talk about the Horn of Africa. It is a peninsular region extending into the Gulf of Aden. It consists of four countries: Somalia, Ethiopia, Eritrea, and Djibouti. You can remember this by the word seed. Here, S is Somalia, E is Ethiopia, E is Eritrea, and D is Djibouti. Now, I will also tell you some interesting facts about Ethiopia. The East African Rift Valley is in the Afar Desert of Ethiopia. The Danking Depression is also present in Afar region, which is the hottest place on earth. Also, it is the lowest place on the earth crust with 100 meters below the sea level. Now, let's move on to the islands of Africa. First, we will talk about the islands which are located in the Indian Ocean. The first one is the Republic of Madagascar. It is the largest island present in the Indian Ocean and the second largest in the world. Second is the Republic of Mauritius. Here, Hinduism is the most practiced religion. Third, the Union of Comoros. It is located at the northeast end of the Mozambique Channel. Fourth, the Seychelles Islands. It is a group of 115 islands which form the edge of the Somali Sea. Now, let's move on to the Atlantic Ocean. Here, Africa has two countries. The first is Republic of Cape Verde and the second is Sao Tome and Principe. Here, the equator passes through the Sao Tome and Principe, which is the smallest island country. Now, we are left with two enclaves of Africa, which are located in South Africa. An enclave is a territory which is surrounded by the territory of other state. Here we have Eswatini or the Kingdom of Eswatini, previously known as Swaziland, and Lesotho, which is also known as the Kingdom of Lesotho. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.